I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to restore an app removed from your home screen. Start by confirming it isn't fully uninstalled. Once you've signed into the same Apple ID or Google account, open Settings and then the App Store or Play Store. You do this because stores track your app purchases and library, so make sure the account matches the one used to download the app originally. Tap your profile, then access Purchased or My Apps. This immediately shows apps not currently installed and lets you begin reinstallation without extra searching. Now locate the missing app. Search the store with the exact app name or open Purchased/My Apps to find apps previously downloaded. Once you find it, tap the cloud icon or install. The system will download and then place the app on your home screen or app library automatically. If it lands in the app library, press and drag it to a home page. This restores the icon where you want it. Make sure to let the download finish before moving it, because interrupted installs can hide icons. Finish by positioning the app where you want, drag it into a folder or the dock, and reorganize other icons for consistency. If you still don't see it, check for hidden or restricted apps in Settings, or use Reset Home Screen Layout to restore default placement. This won't delete apps. If the app won't install, restart your device, confirm sufficient storage, and update the OS. These steps resolve most install failures. If problems persist, sign out and back into your store account as a quick final check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.